Ever wonder why I chose the business that I chose and have been in it for nearly 25 years? Ever wonder why I chose the business that I chose and have been in it for nearly 25 years this May? My life will have complete flexibility and choices. Want complete flexibility of your schedule? Want to be able to make your own decisions, but still have an income to support you or your family? That's exactly what I was thinking nearly 25 years ago. I believe that God gave me this dream in my heart to be a leader, leading others to greatness by example. It's not a job that I take very lightly, and I strive to be better every single day of my life. I'm committed because I know when I get the results, and I also personally committed to share the business opportunity with every single person that I meet along my journey. We each get the same amount of hours and minutes every single day. It's just how we use them. Do we choose to work for someone else on their terms, on their time, doing what they ask of us? Whether it fits your morals and your ethics, it's a job that you must do. I have a choice. I have choices that I get to choose every single day. Am I going to work this business? Am I going to do housework? Am I going to work around my house? What is it I'm going to do? How many hours a week am I going to work my business? And how am I going to work that business? Work it very smart, in many different ways. I can do it virtually. I can do it in person. I can do it in a group setting. I can do it in an individual setting. It's how I choose to work my business. And that's why I've been with this company now in May. It'll be 25 years. And I love to make this world a better place. Some of my best friends have been through this was through this business. Whether they're still with me or not, they're still, if I see them, I know they're a genuine friend. A success for me means I'll never have to look at my bank account to see if I can afford this or afford that. I never have to choose between wanting to go away with my husband and my little dog or having to stay home and work. And the best thing is I can take my business with me anywhere I go. Anywhere I go, there's a woman, there's a man that has skin, and they need to protect it and take care of it. I want to give back to my community. I want to give back to my nieces, my nephews. I want to know that abundant thinking is where I want to live each day. And when I dream big, everyone receives blessings. I want my family to know I did all of this with love and for love. And I want my husband to be proud of me. I will remind him daily how amazing he is as a person, a husband, an uncle, and a friend. As Proverbs 31:12 says, she brings him good, not harm, all the days of her life. And when I love myself, then I can love others. Then my job and all people in my path, I will change the world one person at a time. Thank you for listening. If this is the life that you would like to have, comment below. Life. It's just $20. Yesterday, my girlfriend and I met. I took her for her birthday. We spent $16 on 2 drinks. Do you realize that we almost spent the same amount of money it costs to start this business right now in the month of March? $20. That's what it costs, $20 plus tax and shipping, and that's it. You can start your business. You can start product, talking to customers, getting customers, earning 50% on everything you sell, lifelong customers because put the products on, and when they see the value and the results, they'll sell themselves. I have customers that are in their 80s that I started them with this back 25 years ago, probably 24 years ago, and they've been using this product ever since for something I did 24 years ago. So like I said, comment below life, and I will give you more information. Thank you, and we'll see you soon. Bye, my friend.